What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Smooth, and you already know what's happening. The back for another banger. As you can see by the title of this video, it's another lit one. Now, this video, I'm probably finna help save some people's lives or bring y'all back from the dead. You feel me? Y'all see by the title what's going on, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. This video is gonna be how to stop your hairline from ever receding, or if it is receding already, I'm gonna try to bring it back to life. You feel me? We finna jump right into it, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel for your boy, man. Help me get to 15K subs. But enough talking, let's jump right into it. First, I'm gonna start off with this because it's very important. Look, if your hair is receding already, or to prevent it from receding, bro, brush your line up, bro. Brush your lining, you feel me? Let me show you something. Look, brush your lining. Any brush will work, but look, I got these small brushes, the bearded ones brushes. Any brush will work though. But brush your lining, bro. Like, even if you got dreads, no matter what hair you got, you should be brushing your lining, because what brushing is gonna do is it's gonna help stimulate the hair follicles in that area. You feel what I'm saying? Most people, when they grow their hair out, bro, they never touch their lining. They'll brush their hair, they might comb their hair, they might pick their hair, they might put moisturizer in the top of their hair. You feel what I'm saying? But they be forgetting their edges, bro. Don't forget it, bro, because basically, not saying that they gonna fall asleep, but that areas are on your hair is already like the thinnest. So the less you stimulating it, the less it's gonna grow, and the quicker it's gonna start receding. You feel me? That's why this part is always the lightest part on, like the edges of your hair is always the lightest part of your hair, and those are usually the first places to start receding. Like, you start seeing people grow into that Vegeta hairline because that's the first place you get. You know what I'm saying? So to prevent that from happening, just keep brushing. Look, you gotta put your mind in the mind of a barber, especially like if it's a new barber you're going to. How they looking at it is like this: you're a new customer, so I'm gonna try to make sure your lineup is as crispy as it can be. You know what I'm saying? So if I have to push it back just a little bit so it can be crispy, I can create my own little line, I'm gonna do that for the first time, because I want you to come back. You know what I'm saying? So that's how. I'm not saying all barbers think like that, because obviously you got some goat barbers out here that never gonna push your shit back. But if it's a new barber, they don't really know you, they're not used to your head, you gotta let them know. You gotta say, look, keep my original lining, don't push me back, don't take me back. And I know y'all might think like, bro, that's like obvious, why you gotta say that? But everybody don't know you, bro, so you just gotta tell them. You feel me? That's gonna help a lot of people, because a lot of people just hop in the chair, give me a fade. You feel me? Say, look, keep my natural lining. Or let them know, bro, like if you know your shit got pushed back in the past, you're gonna have to let your hair grow out for a little bit, like a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Don't be scared of wolf, bro. Don't be scared of wolf. Like, oh, it's okay to be crispy all the time, but sometimes if you want your lining, you feel me, to last longer, you feel me, then sometimes you're gonna have to sacrifice and just go without a fresh cut, bro. Go like 2 or 3 weeks without a cut, and then once you go back to your barber, let them know. Say, look, you know what I'm saying, I realized my line got pushed back, or whatever the case may be, so I'm trying to grow it back out, so just line me up on my natural lining. That's all you gotta say, bro. You feel me? So that tip right there alone is gonna save a lot of people. I'm already knowing, bro. I'm already knowing. Don't be scared to whoop your shit out, bro. Like, that's facts. Alright, so the next thing is, be careful, be mindful of what you put in your hair. Think about your hair as a plant, or think about your whole body as a plant. So a plant really need fertilizer, it need water, the proper sunlight, it need all those things to grow. Your body is the same way, like your hair is the same way. You know what I'm saying? You can't just wake up, put water in your hair, boom, boom. Like, you can, but you're not maximizing the potential of your growth. You know what I'm saying? So what you want to do, man, is find you some type of conditioner, find you some type of moisturizer, find you some type of oil to use that you can be consistent with, and do it on an everyday basis. You know what I'm saying? Just like brushing your teeth. You're not gonna miss a day of brushing your teeth, I hope so. You feel me? Treat your hair the same way, bro. Like, once you get into a routine, at first you might be like, man, you know, I'm tired of doing this, I just want to shower and go lay down, whatever the case may be. But once you start doing it for like a week, 2 weeks, then it's gonna become like a habit. You ain't even gonna think about it. You're gonna naturally get out the shower, brush your hair, do whatever the case may be. So find you a conditioner that works, find you some oil, you know what I'm saying, use it, and make that motherfucker your best friend, because it's gonna save you. You know what I'm saying? That's your fertilizer, that's your moisturizer, that's your sunlight, you know. So find your routine, man. It's a million on YouTube. Y'all can check out my channel. I got certain routines for depending on which hairstyle I got. Good thing about me is I don't have hella hairstyles. I don't have waves, I don't have like a fro, like a little curl fro, I don't have dreadlocks. So I don't post the routines on my channel when I got like all different hairstyles, just so you can like see what I did during what stage of my hair journey. So that's gonna help you out too, create you a routine, or a nightly routine. And once you do that, Damn, excuse me. Once you do that, that's gonna tie into your beard routine, help your beard get longer, get more healthier. So all of it gonna play into one. You feel me? It's 2025, bro. We all about leveling up, being our best version of ourselves. Like, why not, bro? We got one life, bro. I swear. I ain't even finna. See, I can easily start chatting. I ain't even gonna do it, bro. But we got one life, bro. Might as well maximize your potential. Why not? You feel me? So definitely start working your routine. That's gonna help you out even more for your hairline ever receding, you know. So this one is kind of like pertain to depend on a certain type of hairstyle, for real. So if you got any hairstyle like braids or like barrel twist, you know, any type of style that's really pulling on your hair, like it's real tight, be mindful. You can rock them, but when you rock them and you take them out, bro, give yourself like a week or two so your hair can like breathe a little bit. Cause think about it, you know how it is. Like, explain. I'm gonna put it to you like this, cause you never really probably thought about it like this. Once you first get braids, you know what I'm saying, everybody that's don't have cornrows or any type of braids, that first day, that motherfucker be tight, boy. You can barely got them think, for real. You know what I'm saying? So, and it's not that, yeah, they do loosen up some, but the same way they loosen up, your head is getting used to that pull on your braids. You feel me? So you doing that over and over and over and over and over, bro, you stressing your hair out. Your nigga, he like, bro, I'm stressed, I can't take it no more. You feel me? So I'm just gonna fall out. That's what you doing to your shit, bro. You feel me? So I'm not telling you not to get braids. Get them. But I'm saying get them when you know it's time to take them out. Wear it out for like a week or two, maybe even 3. You know what I'm saying? Let your hair breathe. That way you're not having all that tension on your shit. Cause that's damn near like somebody just pulling your hair every day. Eventually, a bit gonna, you know what I'm saying, gonna come out. So it's that same way, man. If you got long hair, you got braids, let your hair breathe. Another thing, if you wear hats a lot, like I noticed like hats will do it too. Like especially like if you wear them 24/7, like think about it like that. Even if I know sometimes if you like, it's cool if you ain't got a fresh cut, you want to throw a hat on. But like if you trying to like wolf, you know what I'm saying, or you know that your hairline already kind of receding a little bit, so you trying to throw a hat on to cover it up. It's either, bro, you trying to work on getting it better, or you might as well just let it go. You feel me? You know, think about it like that, bro. It's either I'm trying to get it better, so I ain't really tripping right now. I'm gonna have to wolf it because the hats is only making it worse. I'm not telling you not to wear a hat, bro, but you gotta think, some people literally wear a hat every single day. You know what I'm saying? I'm really talking to you. I'm not talking to a frequent hat wearer. Shit, I rock hats. But I'm just saying, like, if you know that you wear hats every day, that's probably another reason, bro, because your hair can't breathe. You feel me? Your hair gotta breathe. I'm telling you, that bit damn near like a human on its own, you know? So just take care of it like that, man. Those tips, I promise you, it's gonna help somebody, because I know I don't say something that you probably never heard before. So try to take it into action, man. Try to apply it. I'm not saying apply everything to you, because some of the stuff you probably already know or already do, but the things that you don't, apply them to yourself, man. Use them. Help yourself out. It's gonna save you in the long run. Subscribe to the channel, man. I'll be posting more lit content like this. Follow me on my social media. Let me know in the comment section if y'all got any questions or anything, you feel me, about I said, or y'all got an opinion on anything. Let me know in the comment section. But enough talking, man. I'm out. Please.